Hi everyone! Today we've got a Whirlpool dryer with a tricky issue. It clearly has power, but when I hit the start button, absolutely nothing happened. Let's dig in and find out where the signal is getting lost and why this unit refuses to start. But before we get started, remember, always disconnect the power before performing any appliance repairs. Safety first. Let's do a visual inspection of the control board for any burnt or failed components. This is a pretty common issue with these dryers, so we're looking for any obvious signs of damage or scorched traces. We're in luck. The control board looks solid. Well, time to tear this down and keep digging. Let's head inside and see what else we can find. Looks like this dryer is definitely overdue for a deep cleaning. But first, let's check the most common fail point for this dryer. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the camera inside that tight space, but I'll show you the results in just a bit. If you're finding this helpful, please hit that like button to fuel my enthusiasm, and let's get back to the repair. We've got the new part ready, so let's keep moving with the teardown. Since I'm just starting out with these videos, I'd love to get your feedback. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer a deep dive with every screw shown? Or would you rather see a faster pace focusing only on the main steps? I really appreciate your input. Just look at all this lint buildup. Not only does it kill efficiency, but it's also a major fire hazard. Since this dryer hasn't been serviced in years, I'm going to check all the other components while I'm at it. Time to deliver on that promise. This thermal fuse is the exact reason why the dryer stopped working. But remember, a blown fuse is a clear sign of a clogged vent. I'll make sure to tell the customer to call a vent cleaning pro immediately and not to use the dryer until the lines are completely clear. Our repair is coming to an end. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video. There's plenty more to fix.